How do you realistically lip sync any audio with any image, and what model should you use? If you go to 11 Labs, we can click on the image and video tool on the left, and down at the bottom we can switch to video mode. And here, if we click on the AI model, we can scroll down and we've got a few different lip sync models. So if we clicked Creatify Aurora, we could then go and either select an avatar or upload our own, and then we can add speech. And here we can actually add any of our past generations from within inside 11 Labs. We could go and create some new speech within 11 Labs, or we can click the upload button and again upload our own. And so here I'm just uploading a previous generation from 11 Labs, and then we click generate.
Hey team, how are you doing today? Any news about the,
But the question is, what model should you use? Well, here's the same generation with Creatify Aurora, OmniHuman 1.5 and WAN 2.6 side by side.
Hey team, how are you doing today? Any news about the...
And so as you can see, all three of them provide very different results. If we look at OmniHuman, OmniHuman was the one that took the longest to generate. The movement is a little more present compared to Creatify Aurora. However, with OmniHuman, we've got a smile all the way through and we see a lot of teeth with the lip sync. However, looking at Creatify Aurora, the expression is much more nuanced and matches the dialogue a little better, in my opinion. It also generated faster and it cost less credits. Now, if we look at WAN 2.6, as you can see, both of the results are pretty crazy. There's a lot of movement in terms of the body and also the camera movement. And so WAN 2.6 gives some really good generations and the quality is very crisp, but it's a lot harder to control. To fix that, I always include in the prompt still continuous shot to get something decent.
Hey team, how are you doing today? Any news about the...
And as you can see there, the lip sync is actually very good with WAN 2.6, but it takes a few extra prompts to get the result you're looking for. Now, the nice thing about Creatify Aurora is that you can have much longer generations compared to the other two models. Here, if I switch to WAN 2.6, as you can see, we've only got the choice between 5, 10, and 15 seconds, but we can have a 1080p resolution. Whereas if we switch to OmniHuman, the length of your video is dictated by the length of your audio that you upload, and it can go up to a maximum of 30 seconds. But if we switch to Creatify Aurora, but the issue with Creatify Aurora is that you have a maximum resolution for now of 720p. So you do need to go ahead and upscale it afterwards with Topaz. But another constraint is that Topaz only accepts 30-second clips at a time. And so if you generated longer than 30 seconds, you would have to split the video up to be able to feed it through Topaz Upscale in 11 Labs. And as you can see again, three great results, good lip syncing. The hand movement in Creatify is a lot more contextual. In WAN 2.6, the video again is very crisp, but the lips don't quite match the audio that we've uploaded. But then if we look at OmniHuman, we got some nice movement and decent facial expression, but I had to prompt it multiple times to get the result I was looking for. And so here for this video, I preferred the output of Creatify, but then I did have to go and upscale it with Topaz afterwards to get a crisper looking video. For long form, more lo-fi content, Creatify Aurora might be the best. If you're doing shorter form videos, you might want to try OmniHuman, or even go with WAN 2.6 to have more crisp outputs, but a harder to control video. But on the flip side, WAN 2.6 does give you some incredible creative freedom, allowing you to direct all of the actions and camera angles within your lip synced video, just like this.
Calling his manager Mom and accidentally atting all 200 employees on Slack about his back problems. He's finally settling in. But what does he actually do? His role is to introduce the world to the wonderful AI voices through social media, like the one you're hearing right now. After doubling the followers on Instagram, he's now going to help tackle YouTube, which is the platform that led him here in the first place. So buckle up, ladies and gentlemen, because it's about to get parabolic.
And so as you can see there, we've directed the exact movement that we want, and we've got it as well as lip syncing the audio to the image. But that is how to lip sync your audio inside of 11 Labs. If you have any questions, let us know in the comment section down below. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.